Mahindra Farm Machinery, a pioneering force in agriculture, is shaping the future with mechanized farming, transforming the fields and enriching lives with sustainable solutions. Agricultural excellence beyond the tractor horizon. Attaining precision with farm implements across every acre. Mahindra is expanding its farm machinery business, exemplified by the first dedicated farm machinery plant, non-tractor, in Pithampur, Madhya Pradesh. This strategically positioned plant, spanning an expansive 23 acres, is a testament to our unwavering commitment to innovation and growth. Let's tour our Pithampur plant, where technology seamlessly meets transformation. This state-of-the-art facility proudly manufactures durable, high-quality and affordable made-in-India farm machinery under the renowned Mahindra and Swaraj brands. Here, our product line caters to domestic demand and extends beyond the listed countries, addressing the ever-expanding markets in Asia, Africa, Europe, Latin America and ASEAN, among others. With remarkable capacity, we can produce over 1,200 combined harvesters and 3,300 rice transplanters annually at the Pithampur plant. The fleet of about 6,000 loaders underscores our dedication to establishing new standards in efficiency and reliability. But it's not just about machines, it's about the people. Our Pithampur plant is where more than 600 individuals bring it all to life. It's a shared journey of passion and progress, transcending the ordinary. Every machine or equipment we make here carries that dedication and team spirit. Our research and development team drives our unwavering pursuit of cutting-edge technology at a reasonable cost. Our team ensures reliability through continuous benchmarking, prototype testing, new design developments and rigorous performance testing. Quality inspections and market research further refine our approach, shaping the future of farming technology. Now let's delve into the various product lines manufactured at our plant. Harvesters, rice transplanters and loaders. Everything from fabrication, painting, assembly, quality checks and performance testing to the final approval process takes place under this very roof. It's a seamless process that ensures each machine meets our high standards before it reaches your fields. This all-in-one approach guarantees that every harvester, rice transplanter and loader leaving our facility is not just a product, but a reflection of our dedication to excellence in agricultural machinery. We are constantly striving to meet the evolving needs of the agriculture sector. Our complete range of farm machinery products and solutions extending beyond tractors incorporates insights and learnings from markets across the globe. The Pithampur plant represents a significant step forward in this journey. Mahindra plays a pivotal role in mechanizing farmlands, envisioning a future where prosperity thrives. We aim to empower farmers in India and beyond through pioneering technologies, enabling them to rise.